Have you ever wondered why network marketing is considered the best business model? Well, you're not alone. Picture a business model that's accessible, empowering, and rewarding all at once. This isn't a fairy tale, it's the reality of network marketing. It's a world where entrepreneurial dreams come true, where boundaries are pushed, and where success is a shared journey. Intrigued? We thought you might be. Stay tuned as we uncover the 12 compelling reasons why network marketing is indeed the best business model. The first reason is the potential for residual income. Now, what does that mean? Think of it this way. Traditional jobs have you trading hours for dollars, right? You work a certain number of hours, you get paid for those hours. But with network marketing, you're not just trading time for money. You're building a network, a team, that works together to generate income. This is where the beauty of residual income comes in. Once you've set up your network, it continues to generate income for you even when you're not actively working. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering momentum and size as it goes. And the best part? This income stream can last for years, even decades, providing you with a steady cash flow. And that's powerful because it's not just about making money, it's about creating financial stability and ultimately, financial freedom. Residual income can lead to financial freedom, which is what we all strive for, isn't it? Network marketing requires a low initial investment. You don't need to break the bank to get started. This isn't your traditional brick-and-mortar business that requires a hefty budget for rent, inventory, staff, and other overhead costs. No sir. Network marketing flips the script on all that. It's about building and nurturing relationships, and that, my friends, doesn't come with a price tag. Imagine having the opportunity to start your own business, with just a fraction of what it would cost for a traditional startup. That's the beauty of network marketing. It's accessible, it's doable, it's not about how much money you have, but rather, how much drive you have. And what's even better is that this low initial investment doesn't limit your potential for success. The sky is the limit. With passion, persistence, and a little bit of elbow grease, you can turn this minimal investment into a thriving business. With a minimal investment, you can start building your empire. Thirdly, network marketing offers incredible flexibility. This stands as one of the most attractive aspects of this business model. Imagine a job that doesn't tie you down to a 9-to-5 schedule, but instead allows you to create a timetable that suits your lifestyle. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, network marketing doesn't dictate your hours. Are you a parent juggling the demands of raising kids? Or perhaps you're a student trying to earn while you learn. Network marketing with its flexible schedule could be the perfect fit for you. You get to decide when to work, be it first thing in the morning or late into the night. Even the location is up to you. Whether you want to work from the comfort of your home, on a sunny beach, or in a bustling coffee shop, network marketing can accommodate that. Flexibility means you can work when you want, where you want. Network marketing also promotes personal development. Here's a fascinating aspect. Network marketing doesn't just focus on financial gains. It also encourages personal growth. Through its emphasis on self-improvement, it nudges you to develop your skills, enhance your leadership qualities, and acquire a growth mindset. It's like a 2-for-1 deal. You're not just building a business, but molding yourself into a better version too. And who doesn't love a little self-improvement? In network marketing, you grow as a person while you grow your business. Fifth, network marketing allows you to leverage your network. Now you might be wondering, what does that mean? Well, leverage in this context is all about making your network work for you. Instead of being limited by your own time and effort, network marketing allows you to benefit from the efforts of those in your network. Imagine a bicycle. You pedal, and the gears multiply your effort to propel you forward. Network marketing works in a similar way. You put in the effort to recruit and train people, and their efforts in turn contribute to your success. This is the power of leverage. But it gets even better. This isn't just about one level of people you've recruited. No, it cascades down to their recruits and their recruits' recruits. This leads to exponential growth, multiplying your income potential. It's like having a team of cyclists all pedaling for you. Leverage is the key to rapid expansion in network marketing. Network marketing also provides a supportive community. Imagine having a team of like-minded individuals, all cheering you on, sharing their experiences, and offering advice. This collective wisdom is a powerful tool for navigating the ups and downs of business. It's like having your own personal cheer squad, mentoring system, and think tank, all rolled into one. It's an environment that fosters growth, cultivates resilience, and encourages innovation. In network marketing, you are never alone. The eighth reason is the high income potential. Now let's get serious for a moment. One of the most compelling aspects of network marketing is the potential for high earnings. It's not about getting rich quick, but rather about building a sustainable income over time. Imagine the possibilities if you could earn a percentage on the business volume of your entire team. Each sale they make contributes to your income. It's like having a team of salespeople working for you, except they're all independent entrepreneurs like you, motivated by their own success. This business model allows you to earn more than a traditional job might offer, and the best part is, there's no cap. Your income potential grows with your network. The more people you help succeed, the more successful you become. It's a win-win for everyone involved. So, if you're ambitious, dedicated, and ready to work hard, the sky's the limit. With network marketing, your income potential is essentially unlimited. Network marketing also offers tax advantages. Running a network marketing business brings with it the potential for tax deductions. From home office expenses to business-related travel, there are a host of costs that can be written off against your income. And let's not forget about deductions for training and education to improve your skills. Even something as simple as your internet bill could potentially be deducted. It's like a treasure hunt, but with your expenses. Who doesn't love some good tax breaks? 10th, network marketing thrives on the power of duplication. Imagine, if you will, a seed. This single entity has the potential to grow into a tree, and that tree has the capacity to produce countless seeds. Now, apply this concept to your network marketing business. You start as the seed, and with the right nurturing and environment, you blossom into something more significant. When you teach others to do what you do, they become seeds of their own, growing their own trees, and in turn, producing more seeds. This is the essence of duplication. It's not about creating carbon copies of yourself. It's about teaching, guiding, and nurturing others to grow in their own unique ways while following a proven business model. This way, you're not just building a business, you're creating a forest, an ecosystem, a network. The true beauty of duplication lies in the fact that it allows for exponential growth that can reach unimaginable heights. Duplication is the secret sauce in network marketing. Network marketing presents global business opportunities. Now, isn't that a fascinating proposition? Imagine having the world as your marketplace without the constraints of borders, time zones, or languages. All of this is made possible through the power of network marketing. In our digitally connected era, network marketing has transcended geographical limitations. You can build and manage a team in New York while sipping coffee in Paris, or oversee operations in Tokyo from a beach in Bali. The world is truly at your fingertips. What's more, this model allows you to tap into diverse markets and cultures, offering a rich tapestry of experiences and perspectives. It provides a platform to learn, grow, and create value not just locally, but on a global scale. So, whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur looking to make a mark or a seasoned business owner seeking expansion, network marketing provides a pathway to global success. With network marketing, the world is your market. The 12th reason is that no qualification or experience is needed in network marketing. This is a business that provides an equal playing field for everyone. Regardless of where you started in life or what your background is, the opportunity for success is the same across the board in network marketing. Your triumph in this field hinges on your dedication, your willingness to work hard, and your ability to continuously learn and grow. Remember, in network marketing, your past doesn't define your future. To sum it up, network marketing is indeed a powerful business model. It offers the allure of residual income, allowing you to earn even when you're not actively working. With its low initial investment, it provides a business opportunity accessible to many. Its flexibility gives you control over your time, while its focus on personal development enriches you beyond monetary gains. The power of leverage in network marketing helps you to multiply your efforts through your team. The supportive community fosters growth and collaboration, and the high income potential can be life-changing. The tax advantages are also worth noting, providing financial benefits. The power of duplication and the compound effect further amplify your efforts in network marketing. And let's not forget the global business opportunities it offers, breaking geographical boundaries. Network marketing is not just a business model, it's a lifestyle, a vehicle to achieve your SO. Are you ready to embark on this journey? Don't forget to check out the opportunity link in the description below. Your journey to success starts now.